Having the right vlogging camera can completely change the way you capture and share your life with the world. In this video, we'll be breaking down the top 5 best vlogging cameras, so you will never have to suffer through grainy, low-quality footage again. Now, the only problem is that the camera might work well for one creator, but not for others, because most cameras are not made for vlogging, which is why we've made sure to include all types of cameras on this list. We also have provided the link of each camera below, so you can get your hands on them right away. Alright, without any further ado, let's find out which vlogging cameras made it to our top 5 list in 2024. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix S5. When it comes to vlogging, you want a camera that does more than just capture the moment. It needs to bring your creative visions to life. Meet the Panasonic Lumix S5, your new sidekick in the quest for video greatness. This lightweight powerhouse packs a punch with 4K 60p video and a stunning 10-bit color depth that will make your footage pop like a neon sign in a dark alley. Whether you're shooting a slow-motion clip of your cat's epic leap or capturing a bustling street scene, the S5's FHD 180fps slow-motion option and 4:3 anamorphic support ensure you never miss a beat. Need to take things up a notch? The 96-megapixel high-resolution mode is your new best friend, delivering crisp, vibrant photos that will make your Instagram followers hit that like button faster than you can say thumbnail. With dual native ISO to keep noise at bay and a 5-axis dual IS-2 system that lets you shoot at a 6.5 stop slower shutter speed, your footage will be as steady as a tightrope walker on a calm day. But wait, there's more. The Lumix S5's advanced autofocus doesn't just lock onto faces, it's got eyes for the eyes, faces, and even your pet's fur. Plus, with live view composite mode, creating dazzling night shots or epic fireworks photos is as easy as pie. So grab the Panasonic Lumix S5 and let your vlogging adventures begin. Number 2. Monitech 4K Digital Camera. If you're a YouTuber or just starting out your vlogging journey, the Monitech 4K Digital Camera is your ticket to high-quality content without breaking the bank. This camera doesn't just shoot. It performs, thanks to its impressive 48-megapixel resolution and versatile detachable lens system. From capturing sweeping landscapes with the 52mm wide-angle lens to getting up close and personal with the macro lens for those intricate flower and insect shots, this camera adapts to your creative needs. Recording in 4K Full HD, the Monitech camera ensures your videos look as crisp as your ideas. The 180-degree rotatable 3-inch screen is a game-changer for framing your shots perfectly, whether you're filming yourself or capturing that perfect angle. Plus, with two 1,500 mAh Li-ion batteries and a 32GB memory card included, you'll have more than enough juice and storage to cover your adventures without constant recharges or transfers. For added versatility, this camera doubles as a PC webcam for video chats or live streams. Whether you're sharing your latest video or connecting with fans, the Monitech camera's USB connectivity makes it a breeze. With a complete set of accessories and top-notch customer support, it's an ideal choice for budding creators and seasoned vloggers alike. If you are serious about YouTubing or vlogging, this camera is a must-have in your arsenal. Number 3. Sprandom 6K Video Camera. This vlogging camera from Sprandom is one of the best tools to capture your adventures in stunning detail. With 6K Ultra HD resolution and a robust 64-megapixel photo capability, every video and image you take will be crisp, vibrant, and full of life. The 4-inch touchscreen, which rotates 270 degrees, makes framing your shots and vlogging a breeze, ensuring you never miss a moment of your dynamic life. But that's not all. This camera is packed with features that enhance your filming experience. Infrared night vision and an LED fill light make it perfect for capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're filming a nighttime event or a dimly lit room, your shots will be bright and clear. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control the camera via the Hello Cam app and transfer files with ease. Plus, the 2.4G wireless remote control lets you operate the camera from a distance. It also comes with a handheld stabilizer, ensuring smooth and steady shots even during action-packed scenes. With its multitude of functions, slow motion, time-lapse, webcam capability, and more, this camcorder is not just versatile, but also user-friendly. It's a perfect fit for vloggers, travelers, and anyone looking to capture life's extraordinary moments. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2. For anyone who wants to capture stunning content on the go, the DJI Pocket 2 is your perfect travel companion. This compact powerhouse, weighing just 117 grams, fits effortlessly in your palm and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're shooting vlogs for YouTube or capturing breathtaking TikTok clips, this pocket-sized marvel is ready to go in an instant. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Pocket 2 provides silky smooth video and crisp photos, even when you're on the move. The advanced motorized stabilization system ensures that every shot is steady and clear, making it ideal for both fast-paced action and long-exposure photography in low-light conditions. The 1.17-inch CMOS sensor delivers stunning 64-megapixel photos and 4K video, while the 20mm f1.8 lens offers a wide cinematic view. Enhanced audio capabilities, including 4 microphones and audio zoom, ensure your sound is as clear as your visuals. Plus, with glamour effects and an AI editor that auto-generates polished content, sharing your best moments has never been easier. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, the DJI Pocket 2 is designed for those who demand high-quality content without the hassle of carrying bulky equipment or sacrificing performance. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7 Vlog Camera. The Akaso Brave 7 is a born all-weather action camera that's ready to tackle any adventure, rain, or shine. Whether you're vlogging in the snow, caught in a downpour, or diving deep beneath the waves, up to 131 feet with the included waterproof housing, this rugged little powerhouse is up for the challenge. Its IPX7 water-resistant design means that nothing, not even the elements, will hold you back. What makes the Brave 7 stand out is its convenient dual display. With a vivid front screen perfect for selfies and a 2-inch touchscreen at the back, switching between views has never been easier. Plus, the 4K video and 20-megapixel photos mean you'll capture every moment in stunning detail, making your adventures look as epic as they feel. Thanks to its improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, the Brave 7 ensures buttery smooth footage even when things get a bit bumpy. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or chasing your dog around the park, your videos will stay steady. Loaded with pro features like time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion, plus a ton of free accessories, the Akaso Brave 7 is the perfect action camera for anyone who loves a little adrenaline in their vlogs. With its exceptional performance and durable design, this camera is ready to take your vlogging game to the next level. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2024. Whether you're a beginner looking for basic features or a professional vlogger needing advanced capabilities, there's something for everyone on this list. With these top picks, you can capture all of life's moments in stunning detail and share them with the world. So go ahead, pick your favorite camera from our list and start creating amazing content today. You'll never regret investing in a high-quality vlogging camera that brings your vision to life.